Hi Tubas, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 11, the Accent on Performance, Holiday Fantasy. So this piece is another one of the Accent on Performance pages of our lesson book. Like we did with our last page, we're going to go through this piece by the sections, and then you'll have the opportunity to put it all back together on your own. Holiday Fantasy is in 4/4 time with two flats, B flat and E flat, so it's in B flat major. Our first section is the first 12 measures, and that's considered the introduction. This piece is marked at a tempo of allegro, but because we're working through it, I've got my metronome set a bit slower, 80 beats per minute at an andantino kind of speed. It's a moderate speed, not quite allegro. Let's start out by playing our first 12 measures, or this introduction. Remember that A is an A natural and it's second valve. Our E's are E flats, first valve, and B flat as always. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and. And if you noticed, the first 6 measures and measures 7 through 12 are pretty much an exact copy. Pretty much exactly the same 6 measures twice, except for those last 4 eighth notes that lead us into measure 13. So let's play that section one more time. 1, 2, ready, and. Now, picking up where we left off at measure 13, we've got another section. This section goes up to measure 21, and there's a key change that is about to happen. So we'll start at measure 13. The rhythms here are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So be careful of that rhythm. Here's 13. 1, 2, ready, and go. You may have recognized the Hanukkah melody in measure 17, 18, 19. Now we'll move on to measure 21. This section has a first ending and a second ending. So make sure you follow the repeat back to 21 and then take the second ending. Also, you'll have noticed that there is a key change. We have taken away E flat and made it E natural. So any of the E's in this section will be played second finger. 1, 2, 21, ready, go. Now we're up to measure 27. This part is a little bit more straightforward with just quarter notes and eighth notes. Again, it has a first and second ending that will follow. Start at 27, take the first ending, back to 27, take the second ending and stop. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. I hope you're still remembering your E naturals, second valve. Our next section starts at 32. We'll play from 32 to 40. 1, 2, 32, here we go. Another Hanukkah melody in measure 36, 37, and 38. Now we'll start at 40 and we'll play to 46. 1, 2, and ready, go. Are you still remembering your E naturals and A naturals as second valve? Mark them if you have made any mistakes. That way you'll never miss those notes again. It's time for our final section, 46 to the end. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 46, go. And watch out for that last measure. Practice it a few times on your own. So I think this has been probably helpful breaking it down. At any time, remember to pause, practice, rewind, and review any of the sections here. Do them as many times as you need to make the progress you wish to make. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.